Do you feel like you're eating the same thing night in and night out? Are you bored with your menu selection and sick of the takeout line? In this video, you will learn how to make a quick and easy nutritious meal that you can easily double and create leftovers or freeze if you want to rotate between a few meals throughout the week. Don't be intimidated or make meal planning complicated. With a bit of a plan and an hour or less of your time, you can have a warm, home-cooked meal on the table that is sure to please everyone in the family. Today, we'll be making an African peanut stew. This is a delicious recipe that can easily replace Taco Tuesday or that boring grilled chicken over salad. It hits all bases because it includes vegetables, protein, and healthy fats that are sure to fill and satisfy you. So if you're tired of the same old, consider adding some jazz and spice to your menu rotation with this awesome international recipe. Again, why does dinner have to be boring? Now, let's get cooking and let me show you how easy it is to make this amazing meal. Now, wasn't that incredible? Warm, delicious, easy, good. I challenge you to make this recipe tonight. And with the holidays in full swing, it's good to know that you've got a wonderful warm stew waiting for you at the end of a busy day. Hit the like button if you feel you can make this stew tonight. And remember, pick a consistent day during the week so you can plan out how many recipes you'll be making for that week. It can even be 1 or 2 recipes that you pick and that you can double in order to have leftovers. The next thing you'll need to do is pick a consistent shopping day and shop for all the ingredients for that recipe or recipes. And the last step is to pick a consistent day you will meal prep, and voila, you are done for the week. Now, if you want more recipes like this, please consider dropping your name and email address by pressing the link in the description below in order to receive my free ebook of 5 days of easy, cool dinners. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can continue seeing great content like this. Do it. Your taste buds will thank you for it.